So let us go ahead with part 1, current affairs. Recently on 6 July, new governors for 8 states were appointed by the President of India. These states are Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Tripura, Mizoram, Karnataka and yes, who is the governor of Haryana? The answer is Bandaru Dattatreya. He is basically from Hyderabad. Previously, he was the governor of Himachal Pradesh and he was also the member of Lok Sabha from 2014 to 19 from Sikandrabad. And if we talk about Haryana, the capital is Chandigarh. The Chief Minister of Haryana is Shri Manohar Lal Khattar. Total administrative divisions in Haryana are 6, districts are 22. Yes, who is the governor of Jharkhand? The answer is Ramesh Bais. Earlier, Ramesh Bais was the governor of Tripura and he also worked as a minister in the government of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And if we talk about Jharkhand, the Chief Minister of Jharkhand is Hemant Soren, who belongs to Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. And Jharkhand was separated from Bihar in 2000. The members of Lok Sabha from Jharkhand are 14. Yes, who is the governor of Madhya Pradesh? The answer is Mangu Bhai Patel. He belongs to Gujarat. Earlier, he was a cabinet minister of government of Gujarat and he also worked as the officiating speaker of the Legislative Assembly of Gujarat as well. And if we talk about Madhya Pradesh, the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan and total number of members of Lok Sabha from Madhya Pradesh are 29. Who is the governor of Karnataka? The answer is Thawar Chand Gehlot. And the Chief Minister of Karnataka is Shri B.S. Yediyurappa. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Bangalore is also known as the IT capital of India. And Bangalore is also known as the space city of India because the head office of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, is also situated in Bangalore. And members to Lok Sabha from Karnataka are 28. Who is the governor of Goa? The answer is Shri Dharan Pillai. Previously, he was the governor of Mizoram and the chief minister of Goa is Shri Pramod Sawant. Total number of MLAs in Goa are 40. And if we talk about the members to Lok Sabha from Goa, so 2 members are elected from Goa to Lok Sabha. Yes, who is the governor of Mizoram? The answer is Shri Hari Babu Kambhampati. And the chief minister of Mizoram is Zoramthanga. And the capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Who is the governor of Tripura? The answer is Shri Satyadev Narayan Arya. Previously, he was the governor of Haryana. And the chief minister of Tripura is Biplab Kumar Deb. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. Who is the governor of Himachal Pradesh? The answer is Shri Rajendra Arlekar. Previously, he was the governor of Goa. The chief minister of Himachal Pradesh is Shri Jairam Thakur. 4 members to Lok Sabha are elected from Himachal Pradesh. Yes, in the second part of the lecture, we will discuss 30 important and basic questions of general awareness. Let us go ahead with the first one. The Space Agency of India. The answer is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. It was established in 1969. The head office of ISRO is situated in Bangalore and the chairman of ISRO is Shri K. Sivan. Next, Space Agency of USA. The answer is NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It was established in 1958 and the head office of NASA is situated in Washington DC, USA. Space Agency of China. The answer is CNSA. It was established in 1993 and the head office of CNSA is situated in Beijing and the full form of CNSA is China National Space Administration. Yes, Space Agency of Israel is called as ISC, Israel Space Agency. It was set up in 1983 and the head office is situated in Tel Aviv. Space Agency of Japan is called JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. JAXA was established in 1969 and the head office is in Tokyo. Space agency of Russia is called Roscosmos. Head office is in Moscow. Yes, who is the first citizen of India? So the answer is President. Second citizen of India, the answer is Vice President. Third citizen of India, Prime Minister. National anthem of India, all of you know, Jan Gan Man. CEO of Google, the answer is Sundar Pichai. Google was established on 4th September 1998. The head office is situated in California and Sundar Pichai is Indian American. He was born in Madurai, India. Who is the CEO of Alibaba? The answer is Daniel Zhang. And Alibaba was established in 1999 and the head office is situated in Hangzhou, China. Who is the CEO of YouTube? The answer is Suzanne Wojcicki. And the head office of YouTube is situated in California, United States. And YouTube was established on 14th Feb 2005. Who is the CEO of Patanjali? The answer is Acharya Balkrishna. And Patanjali was established in January 2006 and the head office is situated in Haridwar. Who is the CEO of Facebook? The answer is Mark Zuckerberg. And if we talk about the head office of Facebook, it is situated at Menlo Park, California, and it was established in Feb 2004. Who is the CEO of Yahoo? The answer is Marissa Mayer. And if we talk about the head office of Yahoo, it is situated at California and it was established in Jan 1994. Who is the CEO of Instagram? The answer is Kevin Systrom. And it was established on 6th October 2010 and the head office is situated at Menlo Park, California. Who is the CEO of Paytm? The answer is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. And the head office is situated in Noida and Paytm was established in 2009. CEO of Flipkart. The answer is Kalyan Krishnamurthy. Flipkart was established in 2007 in Bangalore. So students, today we have discussed about the CEOs of important international companies. You should also search some other CEOs of important international companies. Yes, in English improvement, we will improve our vocabulary. Today we will study type of persons. कई तरह के लोग होते हैं, कोई सभ्य होता है, कोई असभ्य होता है, कोई ईर्ष्यालु होता है, कोई आस्तिक होता है, कोई नास्तिक होता है. इन सब तरह के लोगों को हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं, आज हम स्टडी करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट हम देखते हैं कर्टियस. कर्टियस होता है सभ्य, वह सभ्य है, आप बोलेंगे ही इज़ कर्टियस. डिसकर्टियस मीन्स असभ्य, हमें असभ्य नहीं होना चाहिए, तो वी शुड नॉट बी डिसकर्टियस. आप अपने अलग से सेंटेंसेस बनाएंगे. मीन मीन्स नीच, आई हेट हिम बिकॉज ही इज़ ए मीन पर्सन. जेनरस होता है दानी, दयालु, ही इज़ ए जेनरस पर्सन. मॉडेस्ट मीन्स शर्मिला, ही इज़ मॉडेस्ट, शी इज़ मॉडेस्ट. ब्रूटल मीन्स क्रूर, वी शुड नॉट बी ब्रूटल. इंडोलेंट होता है आलसी, लेजी जिसे आप कहते हैं. I don't like him because he is an indolent person. Imposter means धोखेबाज. We should beware of imposter friends. Theist होता है आस्तिक. His mother is theist. Atheist होता है नास्तिक, who does not believe in God. Notorious means a person who is known for his bad reputation. Jealous means ईर्ष्यालु, वह मुझसे जलन करता है, बोलेंगे he is jealous of me. Zealous होता है उत्साही, he is zealous for cricket. Skeptic, शक्की, we should not be skeptic. Eccentric means सनकी, he is an eccentric person. नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं पग्नेशियस. पग्नेशियस होता है who believes in quarrels, झगड़ालू. I don't like him, he is a pugnacious person. Hypocrite means पाखंडी. Amiable means sociable, मिलनसार, हमें मिलनसार होना चाहिए, आप बोलेंगे we should be amiable. Laggard means स्लो, लेज़ी, जैसे आई डोंट लाइक हिम, ही इज़ ए लगड पर्सन. निम्बल मीन्स फुर्तीला. मैन ऑफ पार्ट्स मीन्स ए मैन विद मैनी क्वालिटीज़, जैसे वह कई गुणों वाला व्यक्ति है तो ही इज़ ए मैन ऑफ पार्ट्स. मैन ऑफ वर्ड्स मीन्स अपनी बात का पक्का होना, तो हिज फादर इज़ ए मैन ऑफ वर्ड्स, आई लाइक हिम.